What I did with it. I do have too much stuff to find anything really. Aren't they beautiful? Nobody said they couldn't be in the pictures, did they? Actually, I've got something I'm going to do with them. This other thing I want to work on. I've got to try and finish something. People won't want to come and see what I'm doing if I don't finish anything. I say, oh no, that woman's still working on that same thing. She's been on it for 6 years now. Feels like it. Feels like it. Only because I wasn't well. Me self-excuses, but that's true. I wasn't good. Sometimes I feel like I don't really want to finish anything because then it's finished. Now, that probably sounds really weird. That's probably sounding really weird. Okay. I don't know if you want to see what I'm going to do next. Look at this, isn't it nice? Beautiful pictures. I have some beautiful pictures. I really do. Let me see, what have I got here? Thumbelina. Come here, lady. This is your theme book, so that's a hard thing for me because I like to put different things in. But this is, oh look, there's a swallow there. Oh well, I better put him onto something and her onto a piece of card. And hopefully this, well, the camera does decide what it wants to do. So if it thinks that it wants to just cut out when it's ready, I guess it's going to do that because I can't tell you how long I've been on here. I've got no idea. So I'm just going to, I'll make this into a tag. Again, another tag. But like I said, well, there's not a lot of, there is a lot of different things that I can do for it, but I've done envelopes and tags, so that can be the theme of the thing, can't it? Where's this go? Cuts across there. That fit in here? Just, you can be waving to that bird because I'll put him in. Here goes the mouse, he's going to be under here. Yeah, we just put lots of glue on. I really like to read everybody's comments. There's a lot of you ladies that I see there all the time, and I put a little heart up there to let you know that I've read what you wrote, and I really like it. And I do love that you know, my channel does help in some ways, give people something to do and to look at, and you know, hopefully I can teach you something. I can't quite remember the lady's name that wants to come live next to me so I can be her craft teacher. And she can be my student. I've got all you people as my students if I'm showing you anything interesting. I might have to start doing a few of the old things that I've made because I've got a lot of new subbies. And you probably haven't found a lot of the stuff that I've done in the past. So I might have to start doing that. Whether I do that for, you know, I might have to be a while before I get to that though, because I've got a lot of things that I want to make yet. I've got things I want to make, like these books that I'm really wrapped in, do we? There's a lot of ladies on here that like doing these books. And there's landfill. I'll show you what I got. I wonder if I've got time. Of course I will. I will have time. I'll show you in a minute what I got the other day. I did go out shopping on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. And I bought some things. Make it a dab here and a dab there. There's a swallow. I'll make this into another tuck spot. They'd have to be trimmed back a bit further yet. I'm a rough old craft, aren't I? Hope not. I'm not wrecking it. Okay. I'll just do this first and then I'm going to have to show you what I got the other day. This thing is getting bigger by the second. So what were we going to do with that? There's a back page here somewhere that's got nothing on it. This must be him. Yeah, we put that on there, and I have to put some pretty around her. I don't know what I'm going to put on there yet. One thing about this glue, you can rub it off. You get it stuck somewhere it's not supposed to be. Now if that goes in there, and there's a flying bird up here, like, will I fasten that there? No? Will I cut it back a bit further so I can put him there and her there, and both tuck spots? I suppose. Where's me cutting out thing? I'll trim that back a bit. Well, that doesn't look very straight. That's my eyesight, I'm sure. Dear oh dear, Sonia, that's still not looking good. How can I tell? Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Now what I want to do, I'm going to put that there. And this bit here. So they can both tuck. A bit of this. Please don't leak out glue. I like it when I've got a new bottle of glue too and I'm doing something that's really good fun. Really good. So this is still recording. You'll probably get two videos for this. I haven't worked out. I don't know whether it's the camera or the card that will only tape up to a certain amount and then it wants to I'll put that there on another page. I might put it over another page. Look at that, that'll work, won't it? She's still waving to the bird, he's just way over there. And I'm going to put him right down flat. I'm not going to leave him sticking up in there because the page underneath him is only very thin for writing on, so I'll put it there and glue it on. She can be waving to him. Just making a story. Yeah, I'm making a story, aren't I? There we go. So that's not too bad. One. That. And that. That. Still got these ones at the back and this piece here. Seems to be never ending, doesn't it? I don't know how many pages I've got in it. See, but you know what? It happens. You want to do more and then you want to put in more and that's not enough. Okay, now let's have a quick flip through. So there's that page and I've got to put the thing on there. Okay, let me see. What am I going to put on the back of there? Surely, Sonia, there's something you can use without it being too much of a hassle. I don't want a toad. He's not really that exciting, the toad. I'll have to find that later. This one here. Button. This one here. This one here. Bug. Here we got this. Then we've got the pocket here. And the tuck spot here. A little book in there with sort of journal on, and there's all that journaling space there. And then we've got this bit here. I'm sorry, Connie. And I've made this all brown on one side and not the rest of it, haven't I? I forgot to put the stuff on this side of it. Nice, this square thing. It is nice. I'm not too worried about it getting in through the back either, because it's only going to go on that. That's okay, isn't it? Rightio. Now, I didn't put any ink along these pages either, did I? I'm going to have to be going through this forever trying to find out what I've still got to go on it. And that toady stuck there with the thing just come off. That was nice. It's supposed to just go on a paper clip over the end of the paper clip. You can't really tie it there. Whoops. Not having much luck with that. Let me try again now. Come on. Down there. Okay, so there's a fairy. And there's that bit. That one. Do another blank page. Leave it for a photo. Oh dear, I'll probably put something on there later on. And I've got this piece here, the tuck spot. And I have that bit there with the tree. This piece here, and then that there. Oh, I'm still still working on this one too. I was going to do something exciting with that, but I'll have to do that later on and come on back on here and show you what I've done with it. Okay, that's not quite what I need. I need something that's going to be, I'm going to use those things, maybe, fix that. Okay, so, and then I'll have to do more inking as well, and I'll have to do that one there. The next time I come back on here, I hopefully will be able to show you that I have finished this, so I'll have to distress that. I'll be finished this, and then I can start doing something else. What have I done now? I've stuck something. What have I stuck? What got stuck there? I wasn't using this today. I see it's still sticky, that. Look. I have to figure out what's going on with that. And there, and there. Okay, right. So that's pretty good. I'm excited, I'm pleased, I'm getting there, but I don't see why I can't get away from this here, the design, and start working on something else. But I will. I'll finish this book. I have to finish this book. It's for my own self to finish the book. I don't know how many pages I've got in here. I started out with, I don't know how many, but it's grown, hasn't it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26 two times. I got 52 things in there, which makes, how many sides is that? 52 sides? Okay, 52 sides. I think that's right. 1, 2, 3. Well, 52 sides on that. And it's nice. I think it is. I think it's wonderful. I hope you like it. Anyway, I've still got stuff to do. I know I better go because I know I'm probably running out of time. I'm just going to come back on here and show you what I got the other day. Okay? So thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.